Hi, this is Rich from Newschoolpiano. We are going to do tonight No Time to Die. It's from the new James Bond movie, and it's by Billie Eilish. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go up to this for a second. We got some chords actually for you. You guys can rewind and do this. Thanks to Josie for putting this all together. We're going to do the intro. We're going to do the verse, a pre-chorus, and a chorus. And then actually there is a little variation on the intro. Just the right hand changes a little bit. All right, so take a look at that for a second, and let's go back to the keyboard, and we'll start with the intro part. All right, here's the intro. The intro is like this. Okay, what that is you're going to play notes or chords. It's basically E minor to C to an A major to a B major, and you can just run notes like to a C, to an A, to a B, or you could play E minor, C, A major, to B. Okay, that's with left hand. Right hand, it's going to be variations on each chord. On the first chord, the E minor, here we are. So that's E, B, F sharp, B, G, B, B. Again. Second chord is a variation. We're going to do the same part here. We're just going to move up to this C. Again, that's going to be E, C, F sharp, C, G, C, B. Third chord is the A. That's like this. And that's E, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp, G, C sharp, B. And then the final chord is the B, and it's a little different. So that one's going to be D sharp, B, E, B, F sharp. Play it one more time. Back and rewind and study that one. All right, that's part one. Go up to the music here for a second. That's the intro that was just there. Now we're going to do the verse, which is going to be E minor, C, A minor, 3 times, and then C and B. Come on down to the piano. We're going to do that. All right, so this is that verse. It's very dark and kind of moody. You can kind of embellish on it. I'm going to play it straight at first. First chord, E minor. 4 beats. Then C. And then I would actually play this as A without the minor or the major. This is an A chord. An A major would be that. An A minor would be that. It kind of floats in between. I think they just do what's called the 1-5, which is 1 and the 5, and they leave the third out. So it's going to be like... And you can kind of make up some sort of rhythm to keep that flowing there. But again, E minor, C, A minor. 3 times. You do those 3 times. And then you go, final part of the verse is a C for 4 beats. And then a B. Okay? It repeats the verse twice. It does that whole thing. E minor, C, A minor 3 times. Then C, B. Then it does that whole thing again. E minor, C, A minor, then C, B. Then it comes into the pre-chorus. Let's go up to the music for a second. Pre-chorus is going to be C, E minor, A minor, B. So again, just going back to the verse. E minor, C, A minor 3 times, then C, B, and then repeat it, that whole chunk again. Now we're here. We're going to go to do this. C, E minor, A minor, B. Here we go. So here we go to C. Minor, A minor, B. Same thing. You got to listen to the song. The rhythm is kind of like a sustained, haunting sound we're recreating it on a piano, so you can kind of create a melody or just a rhythm to go along with it. Basically, simplest is just to pump it. Okay. Next part is going to be the chorus. The chorus, after that B from the pre-chorus, it does this 3-note run down the bass line. It's going to go. So it's just G, F sharp, and then it hits that E minor chord. Then it goes to a C and to an A. And it repeats that, I believe, 4 times. So I'll show you the pre-chorus into the chorus. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I think that does that 4 times, listening to the record. When that's all done, the chorus, it finally goes back to the intro chords, but it plays the right hand just slightly different. In the intro, you were doing... In the lead break right after the chorus, it's just going to go... It's not going to do that bounce. It's just going to do... And it's going to be over the same 4 chords as the intro, which are E minor, C, A major this time, and B. So it looks like this. I'll do that again slowly. So it's... Alright, that's the 4 or 5 basic parts of the song. It's a really great song. It's really wonderfully done. You're going to need to go back and forth and look at all the parts. Once you've got each part together, play along with the song, and you should have fun practicing. Thanks and take care.